Hey guys, this is Sharad Baswanda. This is recording submission required as a part of Facial Recognition Workshop O5 for CISC 665 course. In this workshop, what we are planning to study is the difference between an object detection and object recognition. What is a dense detector? What is a visual directory feature vector? And how do I recognize an object from an unknown image? Right, so in this workshop what we have done is, right, we have written a couple of codes, right, a couple of codes to achieve this feat. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to build our own visual directory based on the images that was downloaded from the from different folders from the different website. So in the book it mentions to download from I think it's from, let me go to the document where it is. I think it is downloaded from Caltech 256 folder. Yeah, from vision.caltech.edu. So that's where we have downloaded the images, and we have categorized the images into bags. As you can see here, bag, dress, and footwear folder, and these each folder contains all the images pertaining to the bag, so on and so forth. Similarly for dresses, and similarly for footwear. Right. So what we have done is that there is a method called get centroids. Right, the get centroids method in the feature extractor class, what it is designed to do is to create our own visual directory, and we keep collecting the image feature extracted from the key points until we have a sufficient number of them. The set of centroids, what we develop is our visual directory, and the function extract image feature, which is defined here. Extract image feature. The it will extract the feature vector from the each image and associate with the corresponding label. So for example, it extracts the image from from bag and associates with that label bag. Similarly for dress, and similarly for footwear. So the reason we do this is we need this mapping to train our classifier. So there is a quantifier class as well, quantizer class as well, defined. So this is to achieve the vector quantization and build a feature vector. For each key point extracted from the image, the get feature vector method finds the closest visual word in our dictionary. In our dictionary, what we have already been created. So that's what this particular program does. Right, as you can see, I have an images folder that's been downloaded from Caltech, and I have bifurcated from I have distributed the images which is resembles the bag, which is resembles the dresses, and which resembles the footwear. Right, and I'm passing all these arguments in this particular Python file. So what we do is, like, now once the classifier is trained, we need to classify. If I give a random input to it, it needs the classifier to say which input image it closely resembles to. Right, so for that we have a create feature class, and we have a train classifier class, training.py method. So this is used to create this thing and train the classifier, and once we classify the data, so this is the Python file that is used to classify an unknown image. So that's what this particular file does. So so we can use the same technique to build different kind of visual search engine. For example, here we have shown the example for bag, dresses, and footwear, but we in reality we can build it for football stadium, tennis court, tennis balls, or something extra like that. So this is one this workshop helped us in identifying the in identifying an unknown object and classifying it, and training the model to determine which which object it closely represents to. Thank you very much.